In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mailing list in Squarespace. We'll start right from your Squarespace account area. First, open the account dashboard and sign in if you're not already. On that landing page, click Dashboard to jump into your site management tools. From there, select Go to Website to open the site you want to manage. In the left-hand navigation, click Website to expand the site's settings and editing options, then look for Contacts. This is where Squarespace keeps profiles, subscribers, and the tools you'll use to build and organize your mailing lists. Inside Contacts, open Lists and Segments. This section is the hub for creating targeted audiences you can use in your email marketing. Click the prompt to create lists and segments. Now choose Create Mailing List. This brings up a simple form where you'll give your new list a name. Click the Name field, and for this walkthrough, I'll type Test so you can see how it looks. In your own project, pick something descriptive and specific like newsletter, customers, or VIP, repeat buyers, so teammates know exactly who's in it. When you're happy with the label, click Save. After you save, you'll land on the mailing list overview. Here, you'll see helpful metrics you can check anytime. Click Total Subscribers to view the full count of people on this list. Then, click Organic Subscribers to focus on contacts who joined on their own, such as through a sign-up form. This can help you understand how well your opt-ins are performing. Next, click Net Change, last 30 days. That snapshot helps you see whether your list is growing or shrinking, which is great for spotting trends and measuring the impact of recent campaigns or promotions. Now let's add people to the list. Click Add Subscribers. You'll see a couple of ways to bring contacts in. If you already have a spreadsheet of contacts, choose Upload a List. Squarespace will guide you to upload a CSV and map the columns, like email and first name. Before importing, make sure everyone on that file has explicitly agreed to receive your emails. This keeps your deliverability healthy and helps you stay compliant with email regulations. If you just need to add one person, choose Add an individual subscriber. Enter their details as prompted and complete the add. Either method will update the metrics you saw a moment ago. With a list created and contacts added, you're ready to send. Click Create Campaign to start a new email campaign, and you'll be taken to Email Campaigns. Here, you can pick a template, customize your design, and select the mailing list you just created as the audience. Building your campaign right after creating the list keeps everything organized and ensures you're sending to the right group. Back in your mailing lists view, you'll also find management options. Click the three dots next to a list to see quick actions. Choose Rename if you want to adjust the label later. Maybe you refined your audience or settled on better naming conventions. If a list is no longer needed, choose Delete. Squarespace will ask, "Are you sure you want to delete this mailing list?" This confirmation is your safety net. If you're certain, click Delete again. You'll see a confirmation message that the mailing list was deleted, and it will be removed from your Lists and Segments view. That's the complete flow. Access your site's contacts, create a mailing list, name it clearly, review your metrics, add subscribers by upload or individually, use the list to start a campaign, and manage it with quick actions like rename or delete. Take a moment to plan your naming, confirm consent for anyone you add, and keep an eye on net change to track growth. With these steps, you'll have a clean, organized mailing list that's ready to power targeted, effective email campaigns in Squarespace.